thinking predominantly of the students I have that sometimes have issues with accessing the lesson, and I have about 3 of them in my year 10 class. It's something they could access online, but they could also have a paper copy to stick in their books as well and to be able to take home and do. They don't always get access to a laptop. So at least if I can give them the paper version and link them to the online activities through Google Classroom, then they could then make sure that they are avoiding creating any gaps in their learning when they've missed the lessons. The ones that in the hub are definitely. I think it's because it's not just another let's just sit and read it on the screen and then answer questions at the end and not remember any of it. It's an actual lesson. So they don't feel like they're missing anything, and then they can just ask me questions if they need to via email, and they feel more confident because they feel that like they're actually getting a lesson and not just here's some homework for you to do during lesson time, which is pretty much what they would get with any other platform. I do have a student who has ASD, and she also has chronic anxiety. If she is late to the lesson, even by 1 minute, she won't come in, and she'll go to the hub. Now, she's missed an awful lot of lessons, and I've been setting her work through Propello. We've just done the mock exams, and she's on track. It's obviously some of that's motivation, but it's also the quality of the stuff she's been able to access, and I haven't had the stress of trying to create something separate. So it's worked really well for her. I feel confident not only because it's good quality, because I wouldn't even have entertained it if it wasn't, but also because my students feel confident about it. I feel confident too, because it doesn't look as if it's just been thrown together, and they like the quality of the resources. That makes me feel confident about setting it for them, because I know they're going to be okay with it, and I know that they're going to feel as though they can access it. I would definitely recommend it, and I'd recommend it to the early career teachers and maybe newly qualified teachers, because while I do believe that being able to create your own schemes of learning and your own lesson plans is a very, very important skill, we just don't have the time anymore. So I think Propello would be fantastic for those people, and they would be who I'll be recommending it to next year. Definitely.